Hi there, here we are with our patient Jose. Jose came in for about a 1-year follow-up after doing a Max Harvest Plus hair transplant procedure. Jose is what you would call a class 6, which means he's basically was bald. And he's a young guy. He was in his mid-30s. He started losing his hair early, and in one procedure, we were able to put him back together. How was the process for you, my friend?
It was great. It was really great.
It was great.
Yeah.
Now, you were really nervous when you came in.
I was. I almost didn't do it.
That's pretty typical. We see that all the time where the guys will get cold feet and want to bail.
Yeah.
And are you happy you did it?
Extremely happy. Changed my life.
Changed your life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really
Can
did.
you expand on that? How's it changed your life?
Absolutely. It's given me confidence now. You know, I used to wear hats all the time.
Yeah.
I would never go out in public without a hat.
Oh wow.
So now I hardly wear hats anymore. So it's great.
It's
I don't wear it
liberating.
at all now.
It's liberating. Isn't that
Yeah.
amazing?
It's amazing. It's
Wow.
amazing.
And now, what do your friends and family say?
They're really amazed by my results.
Okay.
They really are.
In family life with girls and stuff, yeah, how's that?
My wife's happy.
Happy wife?
Yeah, she's happy.
Happy wife, happy life. Perfect.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now, do you do anything different now that you don't have to wear a hat? Like, do you swim, go to the beach, other things, activities?
I
have
go
changed?
out. I'm able to go out.
Yeah.
Before I was, I just stay home. I wouldn't do anything
Yeah.
because I was afraid to go out. I thought, people are looking at me,
Yeah.
judging me, and now I feel great.
That's awesome, man. Now, do you use Propecia and Rogaine?
Yes, I do.
Both?
Both.
Awesome. Okay. So here's a patient following the program. He's using both of the FDA-approved preventative treatments. Propecia to help make sure he stabilizes what's there, and minoxidil, better known as Rogaine. Those two are the best we have to just help keep what you have so we don't go backwards. I'm now going to show the work that we did. What we did is we went around the entire hairline, completely reframed it. We blended them into the existing hair on the sides to create a nice natural subtle recession to frame his face nicely. I'm just going to kind of spin you around and show it from the profile. And then I'm going to show you how to turn the other profile here, and then I'm going to show the suture line. Now, I have not looked at a suture line yet. I always do this first time with the camera. So let me grab a little pointer here. Okay, so the suture line. When we do the Max Harvest, we take all the way from one side over here. So this little line hidden underneath here, that's a suture line. You healed amazing. You healed great. Look at this. Look at this. Tuck down just a little bit for me, please. Look at that suture line. Absolutely beautiful. Can't even see that little sucker. Great. All the way around. That's the suture line right there. Just beautiful. Yep, you did great. I just want to show off the transplant. So he had a lot of hair loss. So tilt back towards me, please. Good. So we started from the front and went to, as you can see, back to here. I wasn't able to get all the way back just because this front part was just so enormous, and with the type of hair I had to concentrate it more to create the density. But as you can see, super natural. I set this up to create a natural appearance of a crown back here. If Jose was to do more, we would fill this in and kind of tighten this off, and we'd have him wound up on the next procedure. The result's excellent. I mean, literally, I mean, look at this. It's as good, look at that. As good as it gets, man. One procedure, black hair, a little bit finer of a hair type to get that result in one procedure is like, I'm proud, I'm very happy for you.
I'm amazed and I'm very happy. Thank you. Thank
Congratulations.
You so much. Thank
I'm
you
very
very
happy
much.
for you, buddy.
Thank you.
All right.